one of the nice things about an electric mower is you can flip them up. You can flip them up. Nice. I like it. Anyway, put the motor blade back on. You're gonna take this little guy right here. The campered end goes on first. This is acting as a spacer, and then your little rotating looking thing would go up in top of that. Slides right into that. Then you're gonna take your weird looking blade. This is the weird looking one. I haven't sharpened these yet, but you're gonna put the make sure that the bladed end is up. You got half moon and you got square. You got half moon and you have square. Slides up in there, and it's easier to do whenever it's either upside down or almost straight up and down, because then gravity. So then your regular looking blade, of course it's not sharpened yet either, just took it apart to do this, but you have the same thing. You have the moon and the square, moon and the square, so bladed goes towards the top again, and that's going to slide right up in there as well. That's going to offset them ever so slightly. And then your holds your blades, I guess. That's going to go up in. Cleaner side is the one that was on the blades. And the one with the mostly clean, but a little bit of dirt around the edge, that's the bottom. If you're concerned about that. Anyway, these cradles go either side of the blade, just the bottom one there, and then your metal piece, of course, the clean side was towards the blade, dirtier side was not towards the blade. And then this is kind of an oval shape, but it's flat sides, not rounded sides. On the inside here, those go around that bolt in there. So just get it facing the right way, oriented the right way. That way she goes right in there, slides right on. Everything should fit together nice and neat. Go ahead and get that nut started there. And shake her around a little bit, make sure nothing's moving good. Go ahead and tighten her down. Bada bing, bada boom. You put your blades on.